Hello, kids. This is teacher Yumi, and today we will have grade 5 spelling words lesson 1. Let us read these words first. Grateful, grateful, culture, culture, unique, unique, nation, nation, values, values, similar, similar, language, language, listening, listening, speaking, speaking, different, different, straight, straight, dialogue, dialogue, symbol, symbol, ourselves, ourselves, understand, understand, strategies, strategies, appreciate, appreciate, mention, mention, universal, universal, perceive, perceive, unlock, unlock, conversation, conversation, wonderful, wonderful, protect, protect. Okay, let's read it again together. Grateful, culture, unique, nation, values, similar, language, listening, speaking, different, straight, dialogue, symbol, ourselves, understand, strategies, appreciate, mention, universal, perceive, unlock, conversation, wonderful, protect. Okay, your turn to read now. Great job. Well done. Okay, let's spell it now. Grateful. 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 Culture. 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 Unique. 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 Nation. 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 Values. 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 Similar. 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 Language. 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 Listening. 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 Speaking. 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 Different. 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 Straight. 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 Dialogue. 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 Symbol. 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 ourselves. OURSELVE, ourselves. Understand. UNDERSTAND, understand. Strategies. STRATEGIES, strategies. Appreciate. APPRECIATE, appreciate. Mention. MENTION, mention. Universal. UNIVERSAL, universal. Perceive. PERCEIVE, perceive. Unlock. UNLOCK, unlock. Conversation. Conversation. CONVERSATION, conversation. Wonderful. WONDERFUL, wonderful. Protect. PROTECT, protect. Okay, your turn to read now. Well done. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Thank you and God bless. But please don't forget to heart and share. And please don't forget to visit also my YouTube channel, Teacher Yumi. Bye.